you've been looking for a cozy bungalow, a bungalow that comes with state-of-the-art infrastructure, most especially if you missed out on Lekki Havana Phase 1, Lekki Havana Phase 2, then you've gotten to the right place. This is Celebration Parkland and Resort, and right here we have the Celebration Green Villa. What we have here is bungalows, like bungalows that is going to blow your mind. Like I'm going to show you, is an off-plan project. We've started building and work is going on here massive. You can see we've started putting our infrastructures in place, the road network, our recreational area, everything you will get to see it. And the best part of this is we have a flexible payment structure up to 20 years. Yes, 20 years. I know you are wondering, what's this all about? Yes, this is not very common, most especially in Nigeria, but if you're in diaspora, I know you are used to this kind of system. At Celebration Parkland and Resorts, you can actually acquire a bungalow here with a mortgage. Yes, we are partnered with a mortgage bank which will facilitate your payments, and I tell you, this is as seamless as it can be. Whether you're a Nigerian in diaspora or you are currently living in Nigeria, you can access this mortgage up to 20 years. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and you'll be paying for this unit conveniently while you are living in your home. You know how this is more like a long-term loan, and I tell you the interest is very, very good. Yes, it's a 1-digit interest. That's 9.75 interest on it. So I'll be taking you in now so you can see what we have here. So on this video, you get to see our sample units. We have 2 options for you. You will get to see it. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag here, but you will see it for yourself. You also see the work going on here. You're going to see our recreational area, which is ongoing currently. You also get to see what you are going to enjoy. I'll also be telling you the amenities, the basic amenities you will be enjoying as a resident right here at Celebration Parkland and Resort. Then I'll give you a breakdown on how to secure this mortgage, the interest rates, and how you can be a part of this. So this is the Gatehouse, and you can see this is a beautiful gatehouse. So from the entrance, you know that we are not just talking about just any estate. It is aesthetically pleasing, like the ambience, everything is top-notch. You can see we are planting trees, the landscaping is beautiful, and I know that's what you want to see when you are coming into your home on a daily basis. You want a place where it's pleasing to you, it's beautiful, where the environment is, the environment itself is giving you joy. So let's go inside to see what we're doing. So this is our Gatehouse. We have our security office here. So this comes with 100% security. If you are staying here, you are assured that security is top-notch. It's 100%. So on my right hand side here, we have our basketball courts. So for those that love to play basketball, you can have. We're also going to have a football pitch here also. So this is part of our recreational area. We're also going to have a park where children's park where they can play and all of those things. So this, you can see, work is ongoing. We're actually fixing the road network inside the estate. Some filling is going simultaneously with the interlocking of the estate. So I can assure you, this estate we are just going to launch on Saturday. Yes, the launch is on Saturday, and that's why you can still get a very, very incredible price that I'm going to give you today. So if you are seeing this video, the best thing now is to call the number to book an inspection, either virtually or physically. So right here is our swimming pool for our swimming lovers. You can relax. So this is an awesome estate where you get to live, relax, play, just away from the hustle and the bustle of the city. This is located in Idera scheme. This is a government scheme in Ibejileki. This is the new Lagos. I can assure you that if you are investing here, you are getting value for your investment. You are getting a good return on investment over a short period of time. So if you are looking for a place where you can buy now to move in, you're in diaspora, when you come home, you're tired of booking hotels, you're tired of staying in a short-let apartment, looking for where you can stay with your family, during your short stay, then I'll tell you, you've just gotten to the right place. And if you are one that you love investment, you can buy this and put it out for rent, and I tell you, in no time you'll have recouped your capital and you're already getting a good return on your investment. So like I said, we have units going on simultaneously. We have just building. Like I said, we are just about to launch this estate on the 7th of February 2026. So we just started, and as an investor or any of our subscribers, the very lucky ones to key into any of these bungalows at a very good price. Yes, this is a pre-launch price currently, and I tell you, this is a fantastic one. We have our 3-bedroom bungalow with a BQ going for 75 million naira. Yes, 75 million naira. Initial deposit is 5 million naira. You can spread your payment for 3 months outrightly, and you can spread your payment for 6 months. We're paying just 2 million naira interest. If you're spreading for 12 months, we'll be paying 4 million naira interest. This is a fantastic one. This is a good offer. Like I tell you, this is a very good one. And this, we also have a flexible payment up to 20 years. Like I said, you can apply for mortgage. They facilitate the payment for you. All you need is a 20% equity. That's the down payment, 20% to qualify for the mortgage, and everything with every other thing will be taken care of for you. So if you're in diaspora, you know, you want to spread your payments more than 1 year, then the mortgage option is very suitable at 9.75 interest per annum, which is a fantastic deal, I'll tell you. Because if you are keen into this right now with the mortgage plan, it means you are keen into this at a very good price, like at the pre-launch price. By the time you are done, this 75 million naira bungalow would have worth over 100 million naira, depending on how long you want to spread your payments. If it's within a year, probably this is already like 85-90 million naira. 2 years, you're looking at 100, 110. 3 years, 120. 4 years, you're looking at 150, if not more than that. So that's why this is an option for people that you don't have audio. Instead of waiting, why not go for the mortgage and you just be paying a little interest on a yearly basis. So this is a good offer for all our investors. I would like to take you into our sample unit so you can see what we have. Like I said, this is going for 75 million naira. 75 million naira. So you can see that work is ongoing. We have a lot of bungalows springing up. Yes, we are actually building very first. Like I said, we are just about to launch, and you can see even before launching, see how far we have gone with this project already. This is a very large estate, and we are building about 500. Yeah, so this is a good time for you to key into this for just 75 million naira. I'm telling you, by the time we bring out the launch price, it will be going for either 80 or 85 million naira. So keying into this now will help you save some millions of naira, which you can use for something else. So this is a beautiful one. We have 2 building options. Yes, they are all bungalows, but we have the open plan and the closed plan. That's the kitchen. We have the open plan kitchen. One comes with an open plan kitchen. Another one comes with a closed kitchen. Yes, a closed kitchen. So I'll be taking you in now to show you what the units with the closed kitchen look like. And let me tell you, this has a fantastic title. This has C of O, that certificate of occupancy. You can run your search, you can do your due diligence. But I can assure you, if we have not genuine, we don't have a genuine title, we won't have been able to partner with a mortgage bank, because a mortgage will not facilitate a project that is not genuine. Yes, they won't even do that. So this alone already tells you about the integrity of what we are doing here. We have our building approvals, everything done. C of O, the title is verified, everything is available. So you can see the design. This is not the usual. Most of the bungalows you will see, they look like shop, but you can see that this is a standard 3-bedroom fully detached duplex. You can see we have enough parking space. This can park 4 to 5 cars conveniently. 4 to 5 cars conveniently. So I'll be taking you in now so you can see what we have here. So come with me. Welcome home. So right here is a security door made of glass. So you can see that it's a very sturdy one at that. So come into the living room. Come and see what the space looks like. Yes, this is very spacious and beautiful. These are sample units, and also we are cleaning the units currently, so you see that some things are not well placed like that, and you will see some of our workers cleaning. So just to let you know that, because you'll be seeing it in the video. So this is the living room, and this is a portable dining here, a dining of 4, and you can see that it's convenient. So this is a unit that comes with the closed kitchen, and let me show you what the closed kitchen look like. So this is the closed kitchen. It has an exit door to the backyard. So there's an exit door from the kitchen. I can see it is very spacious. Look at, we have a lot demarcations to the cabinet here. It also comes with an heat extractor where you can put your plates and all of these things. So you can see very, very beautiful. Also coming with a gas hob, and we have all this place where you can put your spoon, your cups and all of those things. This is also the zinc. You can see it. Very, very good. Very, very good. So this is how we are going to deliver the kitchen to you. Also, it's coming with a microwave and an oven. So this is a 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow with a BQ going for 75 million naira. The kitchen also has a pantry, and also we have an option if you want solar or you don't want solar. So you can just let us know when you make a call to us. Our number is on the screen to book an inspection right now. So this is another unit. It's the same thing with what I showed you on the other unit, just that this one has an open plan kitchen. It also comes with the visitor's toilet, and this is the living room. Very, very spacious. This is a portable dining with 4 chairs, and here is our open plan kitchen. Yes, we have a kitchen island here where you can just sit down to have a drink. You can just sit down. Probably you want to talk with someone that is, this is just a very good one too. So depending on what your taste is, you can either decide to go for the open plan kitchen or the closed kitchen. So this is it. It also comes with an heat extractor, all of this space, like it's the same thing. You can see we have a lot of partitioning here where you can keep your stuff. It comes with a microwave, an oven. Here is the gas hob. Then we have other spaces here too. So you can see that it's just, the difference is that this is just an open kitchen. So this is it. So you can see you can put your stuff here. Then this is the zinc where you can wash your plates and everything. So I'll be taking you inside the other room. This is also the pantry. The solar is here also. If you are going for the one with the solar, you can put your solar in the kitchen. So this is a good one. So I'll be taking you into the rooms right now. So let's check out the 3 rooms. So here we have the master bedroom here. So you can see that work is ongoing. We are cleaning actually. We have the master bedroom. It comes with a closet. Yes, we have a walk-in closet, and it also has a toilet and a bathroom en suite. It comes with a jacuzzi. It has a shower cubicle. This is the washing hand basin. Then we have all these cupboards to keep your stuff, your toiletries and all of that. Then it has a WC. Yes, then it comes with a water heater. This is our master bedroom. This is the closet. It comes with enough space for you to keep your clothes, your shoes, your bags. So this is it. You can see there's a lot of partitions here to keep your things. So we call it, this is a walk-in closet actually. So there's space also by this side. So we have the drawer, lots of them. So that's not all. So you have other spaces here where you can hang your clothes. So this is what the master bedroom look like, and it has a lot of ventilation for natural lighting. You can see it, the windows, everything. We have like 3 to 4 windows. We have 4 windows here, the large one and this other ones here. So this is a very, very well ventilated master bedroom, and it's quite spacious. So let's check the 2 other rooms. So here is the second room. It's en suite also. You can see it. It's spacious, and it comes with all of this. This is how we are going to deliver it to you, aside from the furniture. But all this, the wardrobe, all of this is going to come. But the beddings, the curtain, but the furniture, the wardrobe, they are delivering it to the wardrobe. The wardrobe, all of this is coming. Then it's en suite. It has a shower cubicle, the washing hand basin and the WC. Then it also comes with a water heater. Then you can also see we have a well ventilated windows here. The ventilation is on par, so this place you are going to be very, very comfortable. And this is the last bedroom here. This is the last bedroom. It also has a large window. It also comes with a wardrobe, and it's en suite also. Yes, it has a toilet and a bathroom. That has a shower cubicle, a washing hand basin, and a water heater. All of this, you get it for 75 million naira. With 5 million naira down payment, you can key into this. Either spread your payment for 3 months interest free, 6 months you'll be paying little interest of 2 million naira, 12 months you'll be paying 4 million naira. And if you are opting for the mortgage, then you can spread your payments for as long as 20 years, either 5 years, 15, 20, up to 20 years. And you just need the 20% equity to get started. Everything will be facilitated for you within 4 to 6 weeks. You're already done with the whole process, and this is a good one. This is a fantastic one for you. So whether you are looking to own this for yourself and your family, you can also get this for your aged parents. Yes, your aged parents, or you are about to retire, you know, the bones are not as strong as it were when you were still a youth. Then I'll tell you this is an option for you, and this is just away from the hustle and bustle of Lagos, like the whole struggle. This place, you can just make this place your own personal haven, and I tell you, the peace you get here is top notch. Like, it's everything. So just call the number shown on your screen to get started here. This is Celebration Park and Resort, and this Celebration Green Villa. I'll tell you, this is a fantastic investment. Whether you want to live here, you want to use it for a retirement plan, you can put this out for rent. So this is about 5 minutes to the Lekki Efe Expressway, and I tell you, this is a bit, the road is very much favorable to this place. I tell you, it's a fantastic one, and very close to us is the Lekki Havana Phase 1. Here's the popular Lekki Havana estate. If you missed out on that, then don't miss out on Celebration Parkland and Resort. This is a fantastic one. This is Celebration Green Villa, and this is fantastic. Don't forget, I said we'll be launching this project on the 7th of February, and now is the best time to key into our pre-launch price. With just 5 million naira down payment, you can key into this and spread your payments as long as 12 years, or you spread up to 20 years if you are going for the mortgage plan. We'll be expecting your call. Call to book an inspection today. My name remains Ayomide, your dignified realtor from Salesville Properties. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us across all social media handles at Salesville Properties. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and see you next time. Bye.